So good morning, guys. Today is the 29th of January 2026. Again, it's a crazy January. If that's how the CA is setting, and things are we are looking forward to see a great and a late year. Most of all these major pairs are hitting their all time highs like gold, silver, and some of these major pairs are now heading on that head. Not some. Many of all these major pairs are in this massive bullish momentum. And just keep in mind, we are in overbought regions. Don't be caught up in traps whereby you're trying to overbuy and you get messed up. Probably once you can jump on a few trades and then move stop loss to break even and let the market flow because now things are getting crazy. So anyway, let's get down to the daily technical analysis. Let's break the market down and see what is likely to be happening today. And can we take advantage of these opportunities today? Let's see, it's just a matter of time. And today being a Thursday, we do have very high, medium impactance on the New Zealand. I was expecting to see the New Zealand dollar heavily bullish, and again we do have very high impactance that are coming up in the next 1 hour 13 minutes that are on the euro, and I'm not looking forward to see the euro heavily bearish. And as we continue with the New York session, we do have very high impact news on the continuing jobless claims, and again the initial jobless claims 4 year average, and that's high impact news. So even tomorrow, as we approach the last day of the month, we can see we do have very high impact news. That's the month, this January trading month, this January, the day of trading. We can see we still have very high impact news. So if you can be set and jump on some good trades today, you can hold them. Be patient to see how they roll at the end of the as we close up till Friday. So now let's get down to the technical analysis. That was the fundamental analysis, or again, the economic calendar. And now let's get down to the technical analysis and see what is in for us for today to take advantage of these market opportunities. Man, the market is wild. It's going wild. So again, on the dollar index, as we expected yesterday, we are looking forward to see the dollar index heavily bearish. Coming all the way to this current area, we were anticipating to see this market coming to a major point of support and a break below this current area. We tried breaking below, but again, we have this previous daily resistance, daily support. So all that is trying to happen here. The market is creating some new lower highs to come create new lower lows. And remember, we are looking forward to see these new lower lows being created alongside this weekly higher low that has been here for years since 2022. We have been watching and patiently waiting to see this market liquidate itself here, and let's see how the market will react as it tries even breaking below that current area. Will it come all the way down here? Well and good. That will be great if it comes to the price of 93. But again, I can see a huge major point of imbalance here, as I said. Oh man, that's the chopper. So anyway, now different chart, if you look at it, we can see the market here yesterday has been a massive sell-off. This week it has been a massive sell-off. Today, now this is the previous daily resistance, previous daily support, previous daily resistance. Then again, you have the previous daily support around here. And all that I'm waiting for is to see some slight pullback, a good opportunity for us to jump on this trade. Will this market give us an opportunity as it tries to come this current area? Because I can see we have a slight major point of imbalance there. If the market decides to come there, back to that current level, well, it will be great because again, we'll not be able to see this market. We can try coming all the way to this current area, slightly pull back, give us take out some momentum or liquidity, and then again continue pushing lower. That would be quite great. But again, if it breaks below without us, well and good. We still have a continuation of this massive sell-off. So be patient with this dollar index. And then again, we have now a different chart. The last chart that we had a view, we have watching to see this 78.6 being taken out. We have a 61.8 here. We are looking forward to see this 78.6 being touched, whereby the market can come to the 93 price level. That's insane. So here we just giving it time, let the market breathe today, tomorrow, or again, as we wait to see how the end month closes. Will it even break below? The dollar may continue even breaking to these current areas. You never know. So these are major point that was a higher high, higher low, higher high were created, coming now to retest that major area. And it's now a matter of time to see how things are gonna flow. Now, let's get down to the major pairs and see my first pair of interest is AUDUSD. Now, AUDUSD has broken a major point of interest. This was a 1 point, there were price of 1.7. I'm still looking forward to see how the market will react here. Now, this is the weekly time frame. When you look at it on the daily time frame, the market is now trading at this current area. And now, for me to get a good opportunity, I want to ride on and continue with this ride of the bullish move. We have this bullish the previous daily resistance. And again, now when I look at this chart on the 1 hour time frame, the 4, we can see this huge candlestick that came all the way here. I want to trade this candlestick, and all that I'm looking and watching here, I did have this market coming, trying to retest this current level. We did have this market coming to retest that current level. And I was watching how the market would react before the continuation of this massive bullish move. I had this in this manner. So since I'm trading the 1 hour candlestick, I want to say currently, how did the market react during the Asian session, and how the market has reacted during this, will react probably during the London and again the New York session. So since I'm trading this huge candlestick that has just happened here, I'll be watching to see if the market will give us an opportunity of pulling back heavily, trying to reject this major point. Sorry. Will it come to the try reject this current point? We have this previous daily support, not previous daily support, but today's 4 hour candlestick. The market trying to come to the current area, and then again try swipe out liquidity. And once it swipes out liquidity, I'm looking forward to see this current level being taken out. Again, can't try to react at this current area. The extension that we do have the extension levels here, the 1.714, and again a break above that 1.4714. You just know where we're heading to. We are heading to this one 0.75. That's an interesting level, because here we have a huge level of interest that I want to see how the market will react. So it's just a matter of time, and let's let the market breathe for now. And slightly it will be pulling back. If it pulls back all the way down here, that will be closing a good number of pips. Or again, if it pulls back to the previous daily support resistance, that would be quite great, because again, I'll be having a good opportunity to jump on this trade with my stop loss at the previous daily support, which is currently just here. So I'll be risking a few number of pips, but again, I'm focusing to stay close to 100 pips. And then again, from there, I'll be swinging with it close to pretty number of pips from here all the way here. That's close to 500 pips. So let's see how the market is reacting, because all this is insane. In reality, we do have all this massive momentum happening. We have these major levels, you can see. So that's why we are looking forward to see the market probably come touch. Next pair is we do have is New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD, you have the opportunity of seeing it come to the 0.625. And again, this is another pair that I want to see how it will react, because again, we have a crazy opportunity. You're trying to break this higher high, and all that I can see here, this is the previous daily resistance, and this is the previous daily support. Previous daily resistance. Previous daily resistance. Previous daily support. We have it here. That's the 4 hour candlestick. The 4 hour candlestick, we have it there. So we have this current area, the previous Asian low. Asian low, Asian high. And we are watching to see how the market will come. We need to pull back slightly to this current area. My good entry will be here. And then again, I'll first be watching to see this market come all the way to this current high. And then again, when it comes to this high, in between this current area, my stop loss should be slightly here. That's close to 60 pips. But again, I'm watching to see this trade come all the way to this price level, 0.62. That's close to 120 pips from the current level that it is at. But I'd like to get a better discounted price, probably at the 0.6075. Then again, I'll be jumping the continuation of that heavy bullish move. Now we have a crazy pair here. This pair, which I jumped on it yesterday from this current level, and again, I didn't expect it to come all the way down here, breaking below the 61.8. And once it breaks the 61.8, I'll be watching it come all the way to the 0.65, which is currently here. We have a crazy opportunity and a great opportunity for to see this price coming all the way down there. And 0.65 that we have it 1.65, we have it there, and it coincides with our major point of interest, which again is how do we call it? Our institutional level. These are higher low. We are trying to the market is trying to retest these major levels. You can see this massive, massive momentum. I'll be watching to see the market come all the way, liquidate itself to this 1.6, 1.6. So let's first get rid of this. The market has broken all these structures, 1.8, 1.7. I'm watching to see it come 500 pips again below, coming all the way right below, all the way to this current area. We are broken. We were from this current level, and now I'm watching it to see how it's gonna react to this 1.65. And since we have this the previous daily resistance, I am patiently waiting to see. I cannot buy at the previous daily support. Nope, that's not wise. Sorry, I cannot sell at the previous daily support. That's not wise. So I'd rather wait and see how the market is gonna react. We need to pull back because remember we also do have very important news that are coming up in the next 1 hour, 30 minutes from now. So with this chart, we could have an opportunity of seeing this market probably trying to retest whatever happened in the Asian high, Asian session, which is the Asian high. Let's see. Yeah, these are the Asian high. So could the market come retest the Asian high? Retest the Asian high? Well and good. I'll be jumping on this trade. I'll be jumping on this trade again for the continuation of the sell-off. If it comes to the Asian high, which is here, and we have the Asian low down there, then it will be a good trade for us to swing around with it all the way down, breaking below looking forward to see it break below, because again, from here till this current area, that will be closer to 130 pips or 100, how many number pips? Yeah, 130 pips. So be patient with it and let's see how the market will react during next news. Or again, we have this major point of imbalance that is currently here. We could have a huge pullback, then again can jump on this ride for the condition of that huge sell-off that is trying to happen. So for this, that's all on the Euro out. And again, still on Euro New Zealand, you can see now for this chart, similar thing that is happening, they move in the same direction. And for this chart now, we are approaching the 61. I'm looking forward to see this market coming all the way to the 61.8. We have broken the 50%. This was a major point of imbalance that I was watching to see how the market will react. Now, here we have broken even a huge, huge support level that has been here. See this trend line? This is a huge trend that has been here, higher low, higher low. So it means that the market is now trying to continue on that massive sell-off. And all that I'm patiently waiting is, if you look at it, could this market try to come back again to this current point? It's only 70 pips. And if it comes to return this current area, well and good. Because again, as I've said, if it comes to get to grab liquidity on the previous Asian low. But again, you can see this huge candlestick. Either way, I would like to also trade in between this candlestick. Sell at this kind, probably around in this current area. Then again, continue jumping on the seller. With my stop loss very tight, very, very tight. Because again, I don't want to over risk on this trade. I just wanted to let it ride. A break below that, I'll be watching to see this trade heavily come all the way to these current lows as we have been prospecting to see it come to the 17.6. So again, from the current area to this current area, that's 500 pips. And that is will be insane if we let the market come all the way down there. So now we are watching gold. Gold, I'm lost for words because again, for gold, I wasn't expecting to see all this happen. And we have even chances of seeing this market coming all the way to the 6,500. You remember for this chart, we had been drawing it in this manner. Drawing it in this manner. So we are drawing it in this manner. We are watching it to see these walls being touched in the monthly time frame. You can see touches the walls, all these walls. And I wish I just followed up my setup. So you can see this setup. High, low, high, 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 low. New high highs have been formed, broken even this current area. And all that I can see in this trade, it's just trying to form all new all-time highs each and every single day. Each and every single day, we are forming new all-time highs. So it would be stupid of us trying to come and sell this chart or this in these this massive bullish move. So all that I can see or patiently do is trade this current in this current manner. Watch how the market is reacting during the Asian high, how it reacted during the Asian high and the Asian low. And then again, we can get a good opportunity of jumping on this trade. So this is the previous Asian low. So the market has a chance of seeing it coming all the way, grab liquidity. Once it grabs liquidity at the previous Asian low, then continue pumping heavily up. So, because I'm not intending to sell this, you haven't seen any potential sellers coming in. So, despite it being at the overbought regions, I would like to see how the market will it grab liquidity all the way down here, then again gain momentum. That will be insane. That will be quite great. So, just a matter of time here when you look at it on the lower time frame to see how the market would react in the 15 minutes time frame. I cannot see any major point of imbalance that we have. But again, a fair value gap probably in between these kind of areas or trade this candlestick or this previous candlestick that's kind of here. So, how the market is reacting here, it will give us some good momentum probably during the New York session. If it tries probably and retesting the 5,500, it will be quite great. It will be quite great. Testing all the way down here, probably grab liquidity, then again gain momentum. Well and good, that will be great. But at the moment, I'm not seeing anything for me to jump on since I missed up the right way back. So for that, it's a pass. And again, next pair of discussion is Euro GBP. Euro GBP, I'm still watching it. I'm still monitoring this trade and I'm patiently waiting. Yesterday, we did create we did break below this current area, and we have a chance of seeing now this market heavily bearish. Remember the other pairs, how they are reacting. We have our 17.6 here, and we have this chance of seeing this market playing around this higher low, higher high, 1.8 down here. So this 1.8 playing around this current area. The 1.8 playing around this current level. That's a good retest of this retracement point, or again, a major point of interest. Going to market, we are watching it to retrace, and I would like to delete this. And again, mark my area, my 50% Fibonacci level. Yep, making my 50% Fibonacci level. It's quite great because now I'm able to understand that the market, wherever it's flowing out, we are trying to break below this current area. We are trying to break below this 38.2, come all the way even to these current areas. We have close to a crazy number of pips all the way from here till here. That's 43 till here. That's 100 pips. So next pair of discussion, last but not least, we have is GBP/USD. Man, for this pair, man, I missed out this current move. But anyway, either way, for this trade we have been watching and we have been talking about it, we are looking forward to see it come to the price of 1.410. And here we have a higher low. All that I'm waiting for is to see this higher high being broken. Could we get some slight pullback? Maybe, maybe not. Again, what has happened in the Asian time? We have this at the Asian high and the Asian low. All that I'm patiently waiting is to see, since the London session is opening, has just opened up, we have a chance of seeing this market. Could it retest and give us a major point of interest or again a good support level? Then jump on this momentum. Could it come swipe out liquidity? So once it swipes out liquidity, that's closer to 50, 60 people. I could jump on a good entry and see this market heavily bullish. So let's be patient. Either way, if it doesn't come, well and good. It's just an opportunity that has come for us. So next pair of discussion is the last we don't have is the US30. For the US30, I remember I've been talking about this. We are trading in between this current area, this is the previous daily resistance, daily support. I'm trading this trade. I'm on this. I'm looking forward to see this current area being taken out and the market breaking, forming new higher highs. So new all-time highs. So for this, just be patient. And again, will be good for this. I'm on this trade and I'm watching it from this 49,000 coming out the 49,600 and even break above that. We come to the 50,340. So that's all, guys. I'd like to stop it at that. And it's adios, trade safe. And again, looking forward for everyone to win big. Take care and enjoy your day as you trade. Bye-bye.